Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Victus by HP laptop. Now this is a gaming laptop, and as you can see this is the box that it comes in. So let me just quickly take everything out and show you exactly what you get. This is everything that comes inside the box of the Victus by HP. Now let me just tell you a little bit more about this laptop. So this sports a Ryzen 7 5800H processor inside it, and it's a gaming laptop. So it comes with an NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics card. So that's a great card inside here, and it's also it's paired with a really good processor. So you should get some good performance if you're looking for a gaming machine, or even if you're a creator and you're looking for something to say game on and also create. If you're a content creator, this probably is a good option. Inside the box you also get some documents. This is a quick setup guide which is right here, and you get the power brick and a power cable. So the power brick, let me see, the power brick is right. It's a 200 watt power brick. Okay, so that's written, it's a 200 watt power brick. And what else can I tell you about this laptop? All right, so let's talk about the design. This V shape, as you can see, V for Victus by HP. It's based on core geometry, and every laptop over here, as you can see, hold that up a little closer so you guys can actually see that. There you go. There's a little bit of some unique geometry. It's right here. Put that down. The other feature that HP is saying is that it has a wide rear vent design, which adds some visual flair, and also it adds some thermal efficiency. Because with the 3060 inside here and also the processor, and if you're going to be gaming, this thing is going to get hot and it's going to generate some heat. So for that, HP has devised a thermal solution, which let me turn it around. There you go. So these are the main vents at the bottom, as you can see, and there's 5-way airflow in here. This is what HP is claiming, and they also have 4 heat pipes in here. All right, so HP is claiming that it's 54% longer length for the pipes, and there's a 33% bigger fan size, and 30% increase in maximum airflow. So that's what HP is claiming, right? Let me just go ahead and open the laptop. So there you go. Now this laptop comes with a 16.1 inch display. It's an FHD display, so it sports an aspect ratio of 1920 by 1080, and it has 144 Hz of refresh rate. So another thing to note is its max brightness is 300 nits as claimed by HP, and it supports 100% sRGB color gamut coverage. So again, it's a good laptop for content creation if you're creating content in the standard sRGB color gamut space. Now this particular variant features 16 GB of RAM, and it has a 512 GB SSD built inside. The 3060, of course, that has 6 GB of memory, and it comes loaded with Windows 10. As it says, it includes Microsoft Office, Home and Student. Right, and there you have it. Pretty much, it weighs 2.48 kgs. So this is basically 2.5 kgs is what this weighs. So there you are, folks. That was a quick unboxing and a look at the Victus by HP gaming laptop. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.